Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete all viruses from your Windows 10 and 11 in a very simple manner. First, what you can do, simply search over here clean mgr. After that, you will find the disk cleanup system over here. Click on that and going to select C drive. Click OK. And now they're calculating the all junk file. So we're going to select all over here. If you have files in the recycle bins and if you don't want to delete them, then you can simply uncheck it and then click on the all other, checked all of your files, and then click OK and delete files. After a short time, the cleanup will be completed. After completing the cleanup, what you can do, just simply come over into your search option, going to search for run, click enter, and here is your run program will be opened. And now we're going to type temp over here, click enter, click continue, and there will be the temp file over here. So we're going to select them all, delete them, and then close it. Going to open the run program another time, going to give the percentage, type temp and give another 10% and then click OK. And there we're going to select all the file and delete them. Some of file will be not deleted, skip them, cancel, but most of the file will be deleted and that's okay. Close it, going to search option, click run another time, and now we're going to type free fetch. Click enter, click continue, and now we're going to select the all file over here, going to delete them. If the some file will be not deleted, so skip them, and that's it. Close it, and now we're going to search over here RT, click on the run command. There will be a permission, click yes, and here you can see this is a free tool to delete your viruses from the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Click next over here. There is three options: quick scan, full scan, and customize scan. For this video, I'm going to go for the quick scan, but you should recommend full scan. If you have viruses or if you doubting that your computer have some viruses, then I personally recommend you to go for the full scan. So for this video, I'm going for the quick scan. Click next, and now you can see that all the files will be scanning, and it will take some minutes to complete. For that, keep patience. And that's it, your malicious file, the scan result is completed. Now we're going to click on finish. And that's it. This is how you can delete all of your viruses from your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.